NerdWallet lets you track your net worth and cash flow and learn about your credit score. The site is totally free, supported by offers and recommendations from financial product providers. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of signing up for NerdWallet. So let's get started and find out how that can be done. First of all, open the app NerdWallet. After that, tap on the option Sign Up. Now, you need to provide your email address and create a password for your account. You can also sign up with Apple or sign up with Google. Here, I'll be signing up using my email address and then create a password. So once you have entered the email address and password, tap on Create Account. Then follow the further instructions provided and give all the required details. Finally, you'll be able to register for a NerdWallet account. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tech Quest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.